Hello, Tulli. Where are you going? Tulli, you've discovered a wheel. Hey, and there's another wheel. Tulli, what's that? Do you think they're the wheels of a bicycle? Tulli, what can you see? Another wheel? And another wheel? You're right, Tulli. Bicycles don't have that many wheels. It can't be a bicycle. A window? What's that for? You think it's a house, Tulli? It's moving. No, it can't be a house. Tulli, do you know what moves and makes that noise? Do you know what it is? Of course, Tulli. It's a train. Goodbye, Tulli. Enjoy the ride. See you next time.